This is crazy. Looks so real. Hi my videos, I'm Azusa Barbie, Barbie lover in West Hollywood. Thanks for watching my video. Today I'm doing Barbie hair reroot documentary. Yay! So here's my girl. In my last episode, I put the iron and I settled down her bangs and hair. Oh my god! So today I'm finally gonna cut her bangs. Which is a really exciting part, but also a really scary part. Yeah, I'm a little bit nervous, yes. But I will try, and I thought I might wanted to glue it, but if she looked perfect just with cutting bangs, that'll be perfect. Yeah, so let me try. I don't have a doll head stand, so literally I'm using this Barbie tumbler, you know, to keep her head stable. Her hair is still too long, so I'm gonna just cut it off. And to cut her hair, I'm using this tool, Doll Hair Styling Kit from the dollplanet.com. They have really cool scissors. This kit has 2 different sizes of scissors. Let me try the big one for cutting her back. I will trim later, but right now it's too long and it really bothers me, so I'll just chop it. I know I'm gonna adjust later, but still I'm nervous. Wow, these scissors cut really good. Wow, so sharp. Wow. It's satisfying, really. Yeah, Saya's hair is actually even shorter. I'm gonna cut a little more later. Yeah, her hair is shorter. This is crazy. Looks so real. Her hair looked too big, so actually I pressed with iron a little bit more on the back. Yeah, so right now her hair looks a little bit wet, but when it dries, it should be fine. And then, you know, just pressing with iron, I can always do this even after I put her body. So yeah, that's no problem. Let's start working on her bangs. Ah, I'm so nervous. I really don't want to mess up. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so Saya's bangs is really unique. She has like maybe this much. I'm starting from a little bit. I will cut and use smaller one. Let me cut like this and I will adjust, because I'm so nervous. I'm not brave enough. Actually, she already looks like Saya. Oh my gosh. Yeah, she already looks like her. It's so funny. She really looks like her. Oh my god, so funny. No, she has little long bangs. Eh, めっちゃ似てんだけど。Little bit shorter. It literally looks like her. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. Yeah, I might need to press with iron later. Yeah, look like her. I'm so good at making her face. Oh my god. Yeah, just the center part. Yeah, I wanna press with iron. I know you cannot see her eyes this side, but this kind of makes her look like her, so I don't wanna cut it more. Her hair is shorter, so I will cut a little bit. Let's cut a little bit more. Her hair is a little longer than shoulders, so it's like this things. Right now it's wet, so yeah, I know it'll be different. So it's not finishing length. It's a good start. This part I may need to iron a little bit longer because it's sticking up. I will press with iron. Yeah, let me trim a little more. I'm back to the door stand. Still long, huh? Yeah, like I said, it's still wet, so I will wait to cut this part till it gets dry. Let me press with iron one more time. Yeah, I don't like this part, so the side. Let's see. Yeah, looks better. Don't you see now she looks like Japanese girl? Okay, think it's good. Yeah, so let's wait till her hair gets dry. So it's getting dry. Yeah, it looks nicer. But I really want to try to glue her bangs because it's kind of sticking out. You see it? So what I want to try is, I'm using hairpin to hold it. So hold like this with hairpin and take a little amount of galaxy glue with toothpick. Very, very thin coat. It's good. Very thin coat. It dries pretty quick because I'm just putting very, very thin coat. Works. See? When you see from the side, you can tell it's more settled down now. Wow. Awesome. I'm so glad that I totally found out the way that I can glue the bangs. Use your pin and hold it. Now let me trim her back side up here. Looks pretty good. Wow. Yeah, I think it will work. And I'm using the same glue, the galaxy glue. And put in some glue here. And use toothpick. And apply very, very thin coat. Yeah, looks better. Huh, it worked. Her hair is totally dry now. Thanks for watching my video. Stay home, be safe, be happy. Hope you have Pink Barbie quarantine.